Well, got some new mods today. Gonna be installing the Motorsports intakes. So we'll get this installed. Got to take some stuff apart, and we'll get it going. Kind of hyped. There should be a 14 then, is my guess. 13. And then you gotta remove the T25s, is what this should be. Yep, T25. Also, this is a HVACs tool, or an HVACs 14-in-1. Comes in handy. Oh, missing one. Let's make sure that, the rest of this is off. Should be good. Go. Should just pull right off. And there's one side. Remember that these screws don't back out all the way, only slightly. Okay, now we're done with T25. Swap the quarter and undo this. Now, there we go. And then pull it out. There we go. Awesome. There we go. Oh, I thought that was oil. Just got a small flat head. There we go. And just rotate it if you can. So we need to take these rubber seals out, which you can use a pick, or if you just take some needle nose, they come out really easy. But just keep in mind of how they clip back together, just like that, and the orientation of the gasket, which should be this way. And just double check that both of them are going the same direction. Exactly. So we actually found out that it's easier if you take everything off and put these adapters on first with the ring, and then all you gotta do is just come right here, wiggle it. Yep, exactly like this. Yep, I'm gonna give it a little tug taste, and good to go. give you some playroom to wiggle what you gotta do. Same thing with this one. Just want to make sure that you put your spot that you're screwing to, so this, the clamp, in an accessible spot, because otherwise it will not work. There we go. And then there you go. I kind of skipped a little bit, a few parts, but I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, the turbo couplers going into the silicone hoses, then just clamp them down, make sure they're tight and in an accessible spot. The only one that's the hardest is this one down here. You kind of have to use 2 fingers to kind of, and it's a 7 mil. I mean, you can still get it, but fairly easy. Did come with 2 more clamps and as a in case, as spares, but yeah, pretty simple. And then all you got to do is just put back the cross member beam and should be good to go. It's kind of weird having this side be open and exposed, but there we go. And there you go. All done. There you guys have it. Arms Motorsports intakes. And yeah, let's see what this sounds like. I've saw videos on like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and they sound really loud, so let's give it a shot. Go and turn the M sound off. So you guys can just hear pure turbos. You can definitely hear it. Definitely can hear that. That sounds so good. Definitely worth the like $270 compared to like the, you know, anywhere between $500 and $1,000 for these intakes for carbon fiber and all that types. That is nice. I wonder what it would sound like with valves closed. So let's close the valves. Not too bad. Arms Motorsports intakes. Honestly, I don't think you can beat that bang for the buck and the reliability from Arms Motorsports. Definitely worth the money if you guys have an S58 and are looking to get some turbo sounds. So I definitely recommend go cop some, and see you on the next video.